Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Oppo A38. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start always check your Do Not Disturb mode. So open the top menu, expand the icons and look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you don't see it, click on the three dot icon and choose Edit Tiles. Now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode here. A little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and open the app info. Choose the Manage Notifications. Of course, you have to switch them all, turn on the lock screen banners, the badges, the ringtone and vibrate, and of course all of these switchers. In the next step, go to the data usage and check that you have activated background data here. If you have activated the disable on the Wi-Fi or mobile data, just switch it off like here. You can go in the next step, go to the storage usage, try to clear cache of your WhatsApp app files, and you can also try to clear all the apps, so clear data and just delete. After that you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. In the next step, try to reset your network settings, so we have to open the settings, swipe down to the additional settings, and choose the last option, the backup and reset. Choose not this one, choose the reset phone and tap on the network settings. Tap on the reset network settings button and check your notifications. In the next step, try to update your system. So go to the About device and tap on the ColorOS. If you have any updates, just install it. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.